Hey tech enthusiasts, and welcome back to ChatGPT Insights. The pace of innovation never stops, and this week is no exception. We've got a packed show with updates that could redefine your digital experience. Get ready for some mind-blowing news that you absolutely cannot miss. First up, a crypto giant is making a massive move onto the public stage, but not without some serious financial turbulence. Then, we're diving into the cosmic world of horoscopes, but with a surprising AI twist. After that, we'll see how Wall Street's finest are backing another crypto player, aiming for mainstream adoption. And finally, Google is leveraging its most advanced AI to clean up the wild west of online advertising. Stick around, you won't want to miss a second of this. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Gemini's bold IPO leap amidst financial storm. Gemini, the cryptocurrency exchange co-founded by the Winklevoss twins, is charting a course for the public markets with a Nasdaq IPO filing, despite a substantial $282.5 million net loss in the first half of 2025. This aggressive move signals a determined effort to gain traditional market validation, even as the company navigates significant financial headwinds. The exchange's revenue for the same period was reported at $68.6 million, a concerning drop from previous performance, following a $158.5 million loss in 2024. Despite these figures, Gemini, led by Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley, is pushing forward, bolstered by a $150 million credit line secured from Ripple. This financial lifeline is crucial for stabilizing operations during its transition into a publicly traded entity. Gemini's strategy mirrors that of industry peers like Coinbase and Circle, who have also sought the legitimacy and capital available through traditional stock exchanges. The exchange has positioned itself as a leader in regulated digital asset services, aiming to build trust in a volatile market. Analysts are watching closely, with potential investor interest in regulated crypto infrastructure being a key factor, although Gemini's path to profitability remains a significant question mark. The company's success will ultimately depend on its ability to innovate, scale its operations effectively, and maintain user trust in a fiercely competitive landscape where traditional financial institutions are also increasingly venturing into digital assets. The IPO process itself will involve rigorous scrutiny from regulators and investors alike, who will be dissecting Gemini's financial health, business model, and long-term growth potential. The Winklevoss twins' bold gambit highlights the ongoing tension between rapid growth in the crypto sector and the need for sustainable financial management. But what if your horoscope could predict your financial future? We'll explore that next. Get ready for a cosmic AI crossover that might just change your daily forecast. AI meets astrology, Gemini Moon's cosmic forecast. Prepare for a celestial event with a digital twist as the Gemini Moon on August 17, 2025, is set to deliver rare messages and unexpected opportunities to all zodiac signs. While traditional astrology often focuses on planetary alignments and their influence on human affairs, this particular celestial configuration is being analyzed through a new lens, integrating advanced AI algorithms to interpret its potential impact. The Gemini Moon, known for its association with communication, intellect, and adaptability, is expected to foster a dynamic period of change and discovery. AI models, trained on vast datasets of astrological patterns and historical events, are predicting a wave of heightened curiosity and a surge in innovative thinking across the board. For Gemini, the Moon's influence is particularly potent, amplifying its natural traits of versatility and quick-mindedness, potentially leading to breakthroughs in communication or learning. However, the AI's analysis suggests that the broader impact will be felt universally. The rare messages refer to insights that might challenge conventional thinking or reveal hidden potentials, encouraging individuals to explore new avenues. Unexpected opportunities are anticipated to arise from these shifts, rewarding those who are open to new experiences and adaptable to changing circumstances. This integration of AI into astrological forecasting aims to provide more nuanced and personalized insights, moving beyond generalized predictions to offer actionable guidance. The technology analyzes communication patterns, data trends, and even subtle shifts in sentiment to correlate with astrological timings. This approach seeks to bridge the gap between ancient wisdom and modern technology, offering a unique perspective on how celestial events might manifest in our daily lives and career paths. The Gemini Moon's transit is predicted to be a catalyst for intellectual growth and creative problem-solving, urging individuals to embrace curiosity and engage actively with the world around them. The AI's interpretation suggests that this period is ideal for networking, sharing ideas, and embracing collaborative projects, as the communicative energy of Gemini is amplified. Ultimately, this AI-enhanced astrological forecast offers a fascinating glimpse into how technology can reinterpret and enhance our understanding of timeless practices, providing a framework for navigating the coming days with enhanced awareness and foresight. From cosmic forecasts to Wall Street forecasts, the crypto world is buzzing. We're diving into how major banks are backing the next big crypto IPO. Gemini taps Wall Street elite for IPO push amidst crypto frenzy. Gemini, the cryptocurrency exchange founded by the Winklevoss twins, has strategically enlisted a powerhouse lineup of Wall Street's top financial institutions, including Goldman Sachs, Citigroup, Morgan Stanley, and Cantor Fitzgerald, to lead its upcoming initial public offering, IPO. This significant move, solidified by an S-1 filing with the SEC on August 15, 2025, underscores Gemini's ambition to establish a strong foothold in the traditional financial markets. The exchange reported a notable increase in revenue to $142.2 million in 2024, a rise from $98.1 million in 2023. However, the first half of 2025 presented a more challenging financial picture, with revenue dipping to $68.6 million from $74.3 million in the prior year, and a net loss widening to $282.5 million, up from $158.6 million in 2024. These figures reflect aggressive expansion strategies and the inherent volatility of the crypto market. Gemini's IPO is part of a broader trend where crypto firms are increasingly seeking public validation and access to capital through traditional stock exchanges. Companies like Circle, eToro, and Bullish have already made similar moves, signaling a growing institutional acceptance of digital assets. Gemini plans to list its Class A common stock on the Nasdaq Global Select Market under the ticker GEMI, aiming to be recognized as a mainstream financial entity. The selection of premier underwriters is a deliberate strategy to bolster Gemini's credibility and attract institutional investor confidence, particularly in an environment still marked by regulatory uncertainty. Goldman Sachs and Citigroup bring extensive experience in managing high-profile tech and fintech IPOs, while Morgan Stanley and Cantor Fitzgerald offer deep capital markets expertise essential for navigating the complexities of going public. Despite these strategic alliances, Gemini faces considerable challenges, including the inherent regulatory and technological risks associated with the digital asset space. The company must demonstrate a clear path to profitability and resilience amidst market fluctuations and evolving regulations. The IPO represents a critical juncture for Gemini, requiring a delicate balance between growth objectives and financial prudence to meet the demands of public market scrutiny. The success of this venture will hinge on Gemini's ability to foster transparency and win over a potentially cautious investor base. Now, let's shift gears from the financial markets to how AI is cleaning them up. Google is deploying Gemini AI to tackle ad fraud head-on. Google's Gemini AI tackles ad fraud with 40% reduction success. Google has announced a significant advancement in its fight against online advertising fraud, deploying its powerful Gemini AI models to detect and eliminate invalid traffic with remarkable success. The company's ad traffic quality division, in collaboration with Google Research and Google DeepMind, has developed sophisticated systems that mimic human user behavior to identify deceptive and disruptive advertising practices across web platforms and mobile applications. These AI systems can navigate websites, interact with navigation tools, observe advertisements, and even capture screenshots to pinpoint fraudulent activities by analyzing rendering instructions. A key innovation is the Gemini-powered detection system's ability to identify instances where advertisement buttons are intentionally hidden or non-functional, ensuring that clicks are genuine and not the result of deceptive tactics. This technology, combined with machine learning and traditional backend processing, effectively combats accidental clicks, hidden ads that generate fake impressions, and disruptive out-of-context advertisements designed to trick users. Per Bjork, Google's Director of Product Management for Ad Traffic Quality, highlighted the financial waste caused by invalid traffic, noting that a substantial portion of ad budgets can be lost to fraudulent activities. A pilot program conducted between December 2023 and October 2024 demonstrated the system's efficacy, achieving a 40% reduction in mobile invalid traffic attributed to deceptive or disruptive ads. While the process is not yet fully automated, the pilot significantly improved both the speed and accuracy of enforcement compared to previous methods. Invalid traffic remains a pervasive issue in the digital advertising ecosystem, with industry research indicating global invalid traffic rates as high as 18% on web platforms and 31% on mobile applications in early 2025. This fraud not only wastes advertiser budgets, but also diverts revenue from legitimate publishers and harms the end-user experience, with reports of pop-up ads even disrupting emergency service calls. Google has been actively combating sophisticated fraud operations, including removing millions of malicious applications and taking legal action against fraud rings. The company's AI detection techniques are becoming increasingly efficient, requiring significantly less data to identify policy-violating ads. Google employs a multi-layered approach, using both general invalid traffic, GIVT, and sophisticated invalid traffic, SIVT, detection methods. Bjork emphasized that AI tools offer a more robust and responsive defense against evolving fraud tactics, acting as a crucial tit for tat in the ongoing battle against bad actors. This multimodal AI approach represents a departure from traditional data pattern analysis, enabling the detection of more sophisticated deception techniques by understanding visual elements and user interaction patterns. Google's investment in AI-powered fraud detection aligns with industry standards and regulatory pressures, aiming to maintain the integrity of the digital ad ecosystem. That's all the tech news we have for you today. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back with a quick recap and your calls to action. And that's a wrap on today's top tech stories. We saw Gemini brave the Nasdaq IPO despite financial losses, Gemini Moon get an AI-powered astrological upgrade, Gemini secure top Wall Street banks for its IPO, and Google's Gemini AI /ad fraud by 40%. If you found this information valuable, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to ChatGPT Insights for more cutting-edge tech news, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Follow us on all social media platforms to stay connected. Thanks for watching.